go.
Dylan's cruising. Uh-oh. They're gonna get stuck.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Whoa. What do you do? Oh. Help him up so he comes back this way. Hurry. Okay. Come here.
Go get Mommy.
Whoop. Crash.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Slow motion.
Go get Mommy.
Yeah, you're big. Dylan's first steps behind the pusher thing. Whoa. Did you eat it?
Are you okay?
He said, ow.
Oh. More?
He loves it. Uh-huh. Go. Oh, no sitting. Go.
Go.
Yay. Whoa. Get up. Get up.
Up. Up.
Get up.
Can you get up? Get up.